Aking Jet, alam ko wala ka na, pero kahit dito man lang kinakausap kita. I know that you understand me, bro. We miss you so much. Until now, we can't believe that you're gone. Can't imagine I lost my friend. One of my good friend. Pare. Lahat kami, man. Hindi ka makakalimutan. Hindi ka namin makakalimutan kahit nasaan ka man ngayon. Alam ko na nasa mabuting kamay ka na. You're in the good hand now. Alam ko si Lord, He's gonna take care of you. Sana dumating ang panahon na kikita-kita tayo ulit. Tayo mga magkakaibigan. Well, paalam my friend. Paalam sa'yo. Kung nasaan ka man, and I love you and I miss you.